Hey folks, thanks for joining me here on ky4.com. Hopefully you had a good weekend despite the stormy weather, especially the second half. It really was kind of an interesting weekend from start to finish. We had that area of very heavy rain that moved into the Lexington area Saturday afternoon. The rain came to an end just about 60 or 70 miles to our west in the Louisville metro area. That part of the state was seeing a 4 to 5 inch rainfall that caused some localized flooding problems. Now, we got in on the act, obviously, Sunday, especially here in the Bluegrass, points to the southwest and up into the northeast. Several rounds of very heavy rainfall, generally a 2 to 3 inch rain. Now, the southeastern counties not seeing a whole lot, catching up with that later on Sunday evening, but kind of an unsettled weekend. That front's moving on, and it will be east of the state on Monday, so we are going to be in much better shape. Should see some sunshine. I think a few scattered clouds possible as well. But the one thing you will notice, the cooler temperatures. It was definitely warm Friday and Saturday ahead of the front, and when the sun briefly did manage to pop out on Sunday in a few locations, it was pretty toasty as well for the early part of October. But behind this front, Monday, we are only looking at afternoon highs into the lower 60s, so it will finally feel like fall. The first couple of mornings of the new work week, I think the jackets will come in handy early with early morning lows down into the mid-40s. Good news for this week, it's going to be fairly quiet. In the early stages, high pressure is going to be in control off to our north and northeast, and we will slowly warm things up back into the mid-70s for the mid and late week. So right now, this week as a whole looks really, really good. So hopefully you will enjoy it. Enjoy the colors beginning to change with the fall foliage as we get closer to our peak. It looks like a little bit later on in the month. So I hope you have a great start to the week, a good week in general. And as always, thanks for joining me here on ky4.com.